I'm currently eating my 卤肉饭 and mapo tofu, and I just got a notification from my phone I have a package. Here, we got the package for our closing packaging. All right, let me get some scissors. So one thing about closing is how you receive your packaging, right? So packaging is always important. I saw some pictures when I talked to the manufacturer before, but this will be my first time seeing it. All right, let's see how they came in with. Here we have the package. What it looks like, it just has our logo on it. It says Project Finite. But yeah, I'm so excited for how everything's coming together, and we'll see you soon, October 1st. Put it in your calendar. See you.